Alrighty, guys. 1, 2. Hi everyone, I'm Lily and this is LiliGem. Welcome to my tiny little studio. You know, I've created many unique sea glass wall art pieces. So today I'm starting something new. The second collection of large-scale wall art sea glass. This piece is 40 by 50 with a black canvas as the base. For this project, I'll be using white sea glass to bring it to life. You know, I've collected this sea glass piece from different beaches around Istanbul, and for this wall art I want to use these soft glasses that turn to sea glass. Each piece of sea glass shaped naturally by the waves, so by gathering it I help clean the shorelines while also giving these fragments like this a new life through art. So join me to be able to make a new wall art piece together. Alrighty, guys. 1, 2, tree. And here it is, the finished artwork. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to check out the other videos and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for your time. Bye.